Hello, today we're talking about the first rule of business that I often talk to my customers and my clients about, and they all think, yep, that's really obvious, really easy. And then when we dig a bit deeper, we actually find that a large number of business owners are not applying this rule. The rule is you've got to run your business as a business, not a hobby, not a charity. If you're a widget manufacturer, you've got to have a strategy and a vision and some values and some value propositions and customer definitions that are all aligned to being a really good widget manufacturer. That means you shouldn't be buying property because that's not the core activity of a widget manufacturer. That means you shouldn't be lending money to a friend because that's not the activity of a widget manufacturer. That's not to say you can't own property, but do it outside of the business. If it's the premises the business operates in, set up a rental agreement between another entity and your trading entity. If you want to lend a friend some money, fine, but do it personally, not through the business. If you're doing these non-business transactions and decisions through your business, you're going to be damaging the financial performance of your business and also damaging the potential value of your business if you were to sell your business at some point in the future. It would really muddy the water and your potential purchaser would definitely push down the price based on those non-business decisions that you've made through your business. I hope that's been helpful. Any questions or comments, get in touch and we'll be back very soon.